Monster Moto MM1000. It was electrical. There's the electric motor. It burnt out. We're gonna make it gasoline mechanical. The engine will not fit. It will not clear the drain plug unless, as I lower this, you will see that the engine is I use my pliers for a shimmy and lift it a little higher than horizontal. In order to get this in, there was a mud flap. The mud flap above the tire. You must remove the mud flap, and you must remove this muffler. The muffler sits on the bike just like this. The problem is you're not going to be able to slide the motor back because the muffler is going to hit the frame. Upon removing the muffler, I realized that you could turn the muffler upside down. So when you put the muffler on, whoopah! The problem with this is that it sticks out, and the person who's riding it possibly burned their leg. This motor here is a Predator, 212 cc's. It's pretty fast for a small little body like this. When I shimmied it from the bottom, I've also noticed, clearing the drain plug, that the carburetor plastic cover, not the carburetor itself, is touching the frame. If I take the cover off, then I'll have about 1.5 inches of clearance. So this video is how to take a Monster Moto electric, this is the electric, and turn it into gasoline mechanic or a mechanical engine. If this works, starts up, bolted down, and everything is safe, there will be a part 2. If this does not work, well, it's for sale, and you could take all these parts and screws with you. So let's see. Look out for that part 2. If not, it just did not. I just wasn't smart enough to get it to work. Let's hope I'm smart enough. See you in the next video.